The island of Soos is surrounded by beautiful beaches. There are rivers, streams and lots of trees where the birds sing. There are windmills and a coal mine and docks where visitors to the island. The island also has lots and lots of railway lines. Who's that puffing down the track? It's Thomas. Welcome to the island of Soos. The island of Soos is a very special place. All of the fact engines love. One day the fact came to Tidmouth Sheds. He had splendid news.
The mayor has invited a famous to paint a picture called The Spirit of Soos. It will be put on show at Nafford Station.
Boom.
Percy, you must collect the artist from Brendam Docks and show him all the most beautiful places.
What's Soos? Asked Percy. Thomas thought, no one knows the puffed, and no one loves it. You're just the engine for the job. But he would show the famous somewhere very, very, very special. Somewhere that was the spirit of Soos. When Percy arrived at Brendam, the docks were very crowded. Everyone wanted to see the famous. He had an easel. He had pots of paint and bags of paper, a long smock to keep his clothes clean, and a big black hat. Percy thought he looked very important. The famous climbed on board Percy. I want to see the spirit of Soos, he said. Please show me special. Yes, it was very beautiful.
There you are, sir,
cried Percy happily. Too green, he said. But Percy was so cross his boiler bubbled, and he went as red as James. Gordon thought the artist was very rude.
Soos is special,
peeped Percy. Then he wheeshed some steam. His steam blew the artist's hat into the air. I want to see Sir Topham Hatt right away, the famous artist cried. Percy was sure he was in trouble now. Percy waited and worried. The fact came to Knapford at once. I have found the perfect thing to paint, cried the famous.
What is it?
Percy waited and worried. I am going to paint Percy, said the famous artist. What?